So this young gentleman has a spine that has moved significant away from its optimal postural position. So what we're doing with him, we're doing specific postural adjusting. Good. Bring your head back a little bit. Come over here, let your head drop into my hand. Here we want to generate the lumbar lordosis, which the gentleman have lost. So we are adjusting right into that lordosis, followed by exercises to rebuild that lordosis. Big breath in and out. And again, big breath in and out. And relax completely. And relax. Good, and one more there. Good, and you relax him completely. Let your head drop. Oh, good. And here. Well done.